I bought one of the most expensive ring lights, so you don't have to. What's up guys, it's Nick, and about a month ago, I was looking for lighting for my YouTube/TikTok videos, and you always see ring lights on TikTok, so I thought I might just try them out. Before we answer the question and get into the full review, let me just state that any type of lighting is better than no lighting. It really just comes down to personal preference and how you want your videos to look like. Now for me, I don't think the ring light was my best option, but let me try to explain why. It basically comes down to a good old pros and cons table. It's a great light straight out of the box. It's super intuitive and easy to use. You get a very nice diffuse light, which means you can really sit close to it, making it great for beauty channels. It's super compact, and since it's a circular light, it focuses on you and it blends the background quite well. The cons are the reflection in your eye, which just seems unnatural. Some people really go for this look, and like I said, it's personal preference, but I will show you how you can remove it if you don't want it. Even though it's super versatile, it's more of an all-around average, and there's nothing perfect with it by no means. Lighting is a bit flat since it's used directly on the subject, and as you can probably tell by the list of cons, it's very nitpicky. So if it does fit your niche and preference, I don't think this should really put you off on getting it. Now going specifically into the light that I bought, which is the Neewer 16-inch app control ring light, I do think it's a great light. The size is more moderate, coming in at 16 inches. The LCD screen control panel works great, as it should, making it more intuitive and easy to use. As it's a dimmable light, you can adjust the color temperatures from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin, giving you whatever shade you need. You can also adjust the brightness, which, to be fair, it gets extremely bright. So much so that I can't really take 100% for too long, which is why I tend to use it between 10% and 50%. To put this into perspective, at 100%, it can completely overtake the bulb in my room, brightening it up just as well. Let me just give a quick rundown of the light settings with the light directly at my face. Different temperatures differ in color, going from warm at the lower end of the spectrum all the way to cold at the higher end. Adjusting how much light is shown is directly related to the percentage from 10 to 25 to 50 and even 100%. You can see a slight difference between the settings. This kit also comes with a stand, which isn't really the best. Actually, it's the thing I dislike the most. Even though it serves its purpose, which is to basically hold the light, it feels super cheap and janky, and I have to really take the time to stabilize it. Funny enough, I can't get it to lock it, so it doesn't really sit still. However, it's still super light, so if you're planning on traveling or moving around, it's super easy to pick it up, and when you compare it to other more complicated light fixtures like softboxes, it really just does its job. The stand goes up to 2 meters, meaning you can also use it as a spotlight or some form of softbox. This is how you can get rid of those halos around the eyes of the subject. By just putting it to the side at an angle high up, it gives a distinct look, and you can almost see a little bit of a faint glare of Rembrandt lighting. The stand also comes with a cold shoe mount as well as a ball head and a smartphone adapter, which should make phone recordings much better. Powering it all up, a DC universal brick. And to wrap it all up, a carrying case, which is actually pretty decent. It holds everything really neatly and tidy. This is where it gets spicy. This ring light costs nearly $150, which to me is completely ridiculous. Neewer promotes the ring light, mentioning that you can use an Amazon Alexa, but if you read the fine print, it says that it only works with the Echo Shows and the Zigbee hubs, which I don't have. There's also an app you can use, however, getting past the security and just the main interface of the app is impossible. Neewer, please fix your app. Lighting can get expensive, however, this feels cheap with its all-around plastic finish, and I don't think it's worth the price. I still do think it provides great lighting, which I guess makes up for it, doesn't it? It doesn't. Just get a cheaper ring light. If you're getting into YouTube or the TikTok space, lighting is very important, as I've learned with my limited experience. There's a lot to learn, but I can't really recommend a ring light for everyone. If you're a beauty channel, this is the perfect light for you. Since the main focus would be you, your face, or a part of your body, and you want to show it clearly without creases or shadows, I think you can really benefit from a ring light. If you're just making TikToks where you're always focused on the video, I think you can also get away with using one. B-roll gets a special mention. I found that you can get quality lighting for it. You should also take into account the small form factor and how you can use it. For more cinematic channels or any other approach, I think there are far better lighting options out there. Key lights are inexpensive choices you can make to better lighting. These are also compact, and you can place them pretty much anywhere to varying degrees of success and aesthetics. Softboxes are also another option since you can really place them high and you can get that great diffuse lighting of a shot as well. You can also get that Rembrandt image if you want those cinematic shots. These, however, are a bit bigger and can get in the way of your homemade studio. All in all, do I regret buying this light? Yes and no. Do I completely regret the price? Yeah. However, it is a great quality light and you can get varying degrees of success and options. Would I buy it again? No. I think my next lighting arrangement will be a combination of softboxes and key lights as I delve more into that cinematic shot and learn as I go. I do hope this video was informative and it can help you decide whether you need a ring light and if it's worth it for you. I really appreciate all the support lately, so a like and a sub goes a long way. Thank you for watching and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye.